Under the bright sun, Rafi and Adnan, their youthful laughter echoing, chase each other through the lush park. Adnan pauses, a proud smile lighting his face as he reveals a beautiful, antique watch. Adnan proudly shares, "My grandfather gave it to me." Rafi's eyes light up with curiosity as he asks, "Can I try it on?" Rafi sits alone in his room, his face a mask of distress. Scattered coins and a piggy bank surround him, symbols of his urgent mission. With unwavering determination, he counts the money, his focus absolute. A week later, Rafi nervously approaches Adnan in the park, his heart pounding. With trembling hands, Rafi presents the box. "Adnan, I am really sorry about the watch. I saved up and bought you a new one." Adnan smiles, accepting the watch, his eyes reflecting a mix of relief and gratitude. "I was hurt, not just because of the watch, but because I thought you did not care," he admits, his voice tinged with vulnerability. Rafi responds, his sincerity evident, "I did care. That is why I tried to fix it." Friendship is restored and strengthened as Rafi and Adnan embrace under the bright sun. They walk off together, laughing, the sun shining brightly on their renewed bond.